Good day everyone. We are pleased to announce the opening of Amelia Novus Study Center at Vengpui, Rengkai, third floor, Mercy Medical Building. We started this center with one simple goal: to provide a comfortable and accessible study environment for students and aspirants preparing for competitive examinations. We understand that many young people do not have access to a study center or the necessary facilities and resources at home. Some may also struggle to find a quiet place and sufficient time to focus on their studies. To help address these challenges, we have created a space where students can study peacefully and make the most of their preparation journey. Although we have only recently started and may not yet offer the very best facilities, we are committed to improving our services continuously and providing better resources over time. Our fees are affordable and among the most reasonable in town. Special room, Rs 1,300 per month. Reserved seat, Rs 900 per month. General category, Rs 600 per month. In addition, students can enjoy affordable snacks and beverages from our canteen. We also provide printing services and can assist in ordering study materials whenever required. Only 11 seats are currently available. We warmly invite everyone to visit the center and see the facilities for themselves at any time. If you are looking for a dedicated place to study and achieve your goals, we would be delighted to have you join us. Thank you all for your support. Amelia Novus Study Center, Vengpui, Rengkai.